Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn an advanced command in Linux which is scd. This is basically going to do find and replace in a given file. Now let us see a simple illustration of the same. To begin with, let's go inside this directory command test. I have prepared 3 dummy files. Now, this file contains Becky, Alex, Daisy and John, and Alex is, let us try to replace Alex with Alan. So, scd basically does the following. Scd gives the search string which is Alex and replace it with Alan and then give the input file name. Now you can see all the Alexes are replaced by Alan. Now this is very important command in the real world scenario. Let us take a simple use case where this particular CMD test has like hundreds of files. Now in the normal scenario you can't go to individual files, search and replace each of these entries. Now how do you do it? For that, let us use the power of shell scripting. Let us just do a sample test, scd test.sh. Now what exactly are we going to do? In here we are going to iterate. Shell scripting also contains for loop, if. It is simple as your other programming languages, which is Python, Java and let us just see how this works. For I in ls cmd test, basically we are getting every file inside the directory cmd test and assigning it to a variable I and then printing every file. Bash scd test. You can see all the files which are present in that particular directory. Now the next thing is, instead of you write your operation over here, scd -s, search for Alex, replace it with Alan, $I, and let's say and this particular file is present inside cmd test directory, and let us write the output file in temp_$I. Now let us run this and see if it works. It did work. Let us go inside cmd test directory and then you can see cat 2018.txt cat temp_2018.txt. If you see, there was Alex in the original file and there is Alan in this file. Also, you can use this particular shell script for some use cases like rename a file. You can use it. You can use it for all basic operations which you have to do with files on an ad hoc basis. I hope you learned something new with respect to scd and shell scripting. If you did, please do like my video, comment on it and provide your suggestions. Also subscribe to my channel. That's it for this video. Thank you.